this is a past, okay, and this is present, and this is future. Past tense, it tells about any action or any activity which is completed at the time of speaking. While doing, at the time of speaking, action or any action or activity which is completed at the time of speaking. Now, ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿದಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it may be 4 hours early or yesterday. So it is called past tense. ಭೂತಕಾಲ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. So this one is present tense. So any activity which is going on at the time of speaking, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ present tense. Present tense. Again, we have already studied about these 4 types: present tense, simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, and this one is future. Next ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭವಿಷ್ಯತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ಕೆಲಸಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇದು future tense ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ. So here we have already studied about present tense. Today we are going to discuss about this past tense. Okay, here past tense. Very simple. I think in the last video we studied about past tense, their formulas, their types. Okay, simple past, past continuous, past perfect, as well as past perfect. Present simple, present continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense. We studied about present tense in the last video. So here it is about past tense. Again we are going to divide 4 types in this past tense. First one is simple past tense. Simple past tense. Second one is past continuous tense. Past perfect tense. Then last one is past perfect continuous tense. Okay, so it is about past tense, simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. There are 4 types here. In present tense we studied about each and every tense has its own formula. Okay, each and every tense has its own formula. In the same way here in past tense also, okay, past tense also it has, simple past tense, each and every tense has its own formula. So here simple past tense also has same formula. Simple past tense, here it has its own formula: subject, verb to. Please see here, look at subject, verb to plus object. Subject, verb to plus object. What is verb to here? Okay, here what is it? Before we are going to study about verb to, we are going to study about subject. See, in the place of subject we can use I, we, you, okay, they, he, she, it, Rama. You can use all these name of the person, place, things you can use in the place of subject. See, I, we, you, he, she, it, they, and Rama. So here it is subject. What is verb to? Verb to. Okay. Here I'll tell you. See verb to. Go. Verb one. When. Verb two. Go, went, and gone. See verb 3. Okay. Here verb 2 is went. Come, came, come. Write, wrote, written. Sleep, slept, slept. Okay. We use this verb to in simple past tense. Try to understand. Please remember this, my dear student. We use this verb to. See, there are three forms: present, past, and past participle. Verb 1, come, came, come. Write, wrote, written. So this verb to, it is used in. If you want to make simple past tense, you need this verb to. Verb to ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬಳಸುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. But in simple past tense only we can use verb to. Okay. So here I. What is verb to here? Went. Go. Okay. I went. What is object? I went where? I went to market. ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಗೆ ಹೋದೆ. Not now. Okay. Yesterday. Or 5 hours or 6 hours earlier. I went to market. So it tells about any activity which is completed in the past. ಭೂತಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಮುಗಿದೋಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ tense. Okay. So here in simple past tense there are no helping verbs. We do not use any kinds of helping verbs here. Simple past tense, no helping. Subject, verb to plus object. Helping verb illa. So in simple present as well as in simple future we can use shall and will. But in simple present as well as in simple past there are no helping verbs. Subject, verb to plus object. Subject, verb to plus object. Okay. Here I played. See here, played. I played cricket. Okay. I played cricket. He played cricket. She played cricket. He. See. Okay. It. They. Rama. Played. All of them played. No, there is no changes in the verb. Okay. All of them for simple past tense. Okay. I played, he played, she played, it played, they played, and Rama played cricket. ನಾನು ಆಡಿದೆ, ಅವನು ಆಡಿದ. She played. Okay. So there is no changes in the form of simple past tense second word. Okay. We use same word. They played cricket. He played. I played. Okay. Rama played cricket. So this is simple past tense positive sentence. Okay. ಸಕಾರಾತ್ಮಕ ವಾಕ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we use by following this formula we can make one meaningful sentence here. I played, he played, she played, it played. So this is positive sentence. Then if you want to make it as a negative sentence, see here, I played cricket. I'll take only one sentence here. I played cricket. I played. So if you want to make it as a negative, what you have to do is, see here, subject. You have to take subject. There is no changes in subject. I played. This is a played, no? What we have to do? If you want to make it as a negative ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ what we have to do? I do. Sorry. This is the past tense. I did. We have to take it as a helping verb. Okay? Did ಅನ್ನ helping verb ಆಗಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ so this is a played. We do not use again this played. Past tense ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ past tense ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು already we used did as a helping verb in the past tense. Then we have to use the first form of played. First verb of played. What is the first verb? Play. I did here for negative sentence. ನಕಾರಾತ್ಮಕ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ for negative sentence I did plus not. I did not play cricket. ನಾನು ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. I did not play cricket. So here this is negative. If you want to make it as an interrogative sentence, interrogative means ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾರ್ಥಕವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ see very simple. This is interrogative sentence. It is about interrogative sentence. It is about ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾರ್ಥಕ ವಾಕ್ಯ. Okay? So, ನೋಡಿ. In interrogative, what we have to do is, this is the negative. I did not play cricket. What we have to do is, we just replace helping verb into subject and subject into helping verb. Okay? Here, did. ನೋಡಿ. Helping verb, subject. Did I play cricket? Did I play cricket? Did I play cricket? ನಾನು ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡಿದ್ದೇನಾ? Okay? Did I play cricket? This is interrogative, prashnarthaka, question mark. At the end of the sentence, there must be question mark. Did, okay? Did I play cricket? So here, this is about interrogative sentence. Then, if you want to make it as an interrogative plus negative, if you want to make it as interrogative plus negative, see here. Did I, after subject, use not. Did I not play cricket? ನಾನು ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡಲಿಲ್ಲವಾ? Did I not play cricket? After subject, ನೋಡಿ negative plus interrogative plus negative. Did I not play cricket? Okay? ನಾನು ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡಲಿಲ್ಲವಾ? Okay? Did I not play cricket? Then WH question. WH question is nothing but the question which begin with WH words. Okay? Why, when, where, how, WH word. Okay? So we have to start this WH question. Okay? If you want to make it as the WH question, okay, you start from here. Why did I use WH word before this sentence? Illa already sentence ide. Interrogative. This is interrogative plus negative. Okay, interrogative agli ಅಥವಾ interrogative plus negative. ಆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು ಏನನ್ನ WH ವರ್ಡ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ why did I play cricket? ನಾನು ಏಕೆ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ? Why did I write a novel? ನಾನು ಏಕೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾದಂಬರಿಯನ್ನು ಬರೆದೆ? Why did I? This is about WH question. Then question 5. Question tag. If you want to make it as a question tag, I played cricket. ಇದನ್ನು question tag ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ very simple. Did I? Did I? Question tag. I played cricket. Question tag is did I? Or I did not play cricket. ಇದನ್ನು question tag ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ did I? Okay. So my dear student, it is about simple past tense. Once again here, this is the formula of simple past tense: subject, verb to plus object. Okay. In the place of subject, we can use I, we, you, he, she, today, Rama, or name of the person. And verb to is go, went, gone. Here is second verb. We have to use go, went, gone. Second verb. We always use this second verb in simple past tense plus object. And this is example for simple past tense. By following that the formula only, we are using here subject. I played cricket. Subject. I played verb to and cricket. And negative sentence is nakaratmaka vakya. I did not play cricket. Then interrogative sentence. Did I play cricket? Nanu cricket ಆಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Then interrogative plus negative. Did I not play cricket? And interrogative plus WH question is why did I play cricket? And question tag did I played cricket? Did I? And this one is I did not play cricket. Did I? Okay. So it is about simple past tense. Dear students, in the next video, we are going to discuss about past continuous tense.